Hi guys, it's me again. Please don't forget to follow, like, and share. And today I'm gonna show you what I'm going to have for dinner. And of course, first is I'm going to melt my butter with the olive oil, and this is the sun-dried tomatoes. And also for the chicken, I just added some cayenne powder, Hungarian paprika, salt, and black pepper. And I'm going to cook. I'm going to cook the chicken. So yes guys, it's gonna be delicious. And after that guys, the chicken is ready, and after that I'm going to saute my mushroom. I don't have any measurement, so I just like it's kind of like freestyle cooking. And that's my sun-dried tomato, fresh onion, and of course garlic. And I'm going to saute all of this until it's fully incorporated. And after that guys, I'm just going to add some heavy cream, and I'm just going to simmer it until it's like kind of bubbly. And after that guys, I'm just going to add some Parmesan cheese, so 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, and I'm just going to mix it again until it's fully incorporated. And also guys, thank you so much for watching, and I wish I can share this with you guys. And now it's thickened, and after that guys, I'm just going to add some spinach. So I'm going to add my chicken, and we can eat this with rice, pasta, or whatever you want. And that's all guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day, and guys, see you soon.